Mhm. So, people, now good morning. Now good morning. My fair share. My beautiful people, now good morning. God go bless you now. Now good morning. We know what they do. Those of you now where they threaten me, Mona Teta, oh Biafra, my brother, now we be the capital, now we be the original one. We are going to teach all these criminal. We move. Mona no fear, we move. We are going to be teaching all these criminal a lesson. Oh, boy. May I praise Mama DK. They don't say our Madike finish. They call they tell me say me I go the fight Fulani. Fight who? Fight Fulani. Me I fight to now. Never see anything. See the leadership. Mona take time. All those people wanna sell for social media. Make all they attack me. If I'm ready for them, I'm going to drive them to. I'm going to drive them to exile to Nanona. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I just focus. Me, I'm very focused. That see, my brothers and sisters, Mona not let anybody they carry on ahead. People. No. See, this generation, we don't want leader. We don't want any fucking leader because they are thief, criminal. They don't go take their share. Or they tell us something. How much did nanny pay you? How much did nanny pay you? You are not working with nanny. How much you not the can pay me? Mona ask una say, how much you not the can pay me before I join POB? Not Chris. Now guesses. I don't like lie. You people are liar. Oh hey Biafra, my people, Mona no fear. We are mothers. Now Biafra console. Yes. With our mother. Nobody can tell me who I will be with. Never. Can God come and threaten me? Oh, why you be disgraceful? Me, I know the shame. Anything I get, bring and come out. Now free that they find. If I be disgraced, with our people free. They know they tell they say they fall for us here come. Ha! I will like her. Mona not worry. Any disgrace when they prepare. I would live with it. Now life goes on. Now no guesses. Hey, my brothers and sisters, let me place my Madike small. Madike Biafra. Let me talk to our people a little bit. These people are criminal. They don't go collect 100 million or one or countable million. Say me I can't go the fight Fulani. I don't fight any Fulani. Now be the public. I go fight to not over nothing. When I say our magic, when I say me I go the fight Fulani. I no guesses. Fulani na better pass it, but people na me talking. Epoete. Oh magic. Magicano. Oh, Magic Biafra. I the magic you have to know. When I'm not trying myself, a good way, but sometimes they mad. I don't give a fuck who you are. Magicano. Anything when I lack, Mona they talk. And the yes, you know the canoe take get viewer. It good. If I not use a get viewer, who I want use get viewer before now we be criminal. Now I use take get viewer. I know what I'm doing. Oh, hey. They say that they plan to go kill our magic or put fire. We will spoil everywhere. I tell myself spoil everywhere. Not believe me. I don't they spoil now. My people, Mona not fear now. Biafra console. Believe people now they talk. If you not spoil, no feel repair. We not fight Fulani, we will fight our people. They be thief. The leadership, they are criminal. Then they use juju for them. When they carry their head, people, or they tell me rubbish. Take time, not threaten me. Huh? Hey, Mona they are happy. Biafra na console. Eh? Anything when I talk na true. Hey, we don't bring Biafra. Not be next week. Biafra don't come on and go Maka. Na next week. Madike. If we not spoil it, not good. Now we do so. More than not mad those criminals, they be thief. I use our Madike get viewer. If I don't use our get viewer, I want to get viewer before. Your head. Hey, because you threaten me, you want to do. Anything where you get, bring her, come my day here. Life goes on. You do nothing, they face. And they use our Madike, they make popular. I good. We balance, Biafra don't come. We will scatter everywhere. We'll make sure say we fix them. Kennedy, Baba, Biafra don't come. None of they happy. May I go the fight Fulani? No. When I go kill Devil Mai, I create. Now Devil Mai say no Biafra. Now him now go kill. If you not kill a Biafra don't come. Mona rest. Mona not mad those people. All those leadership we go see our leader. Say me I can't go the fight Fulani. I know the facts. I'll fight you now. I know facts. No, no, sell on. Now 2015, here passport say not be Nigeria, it be Biafra, but if they use British passport. We dey here, Biafra don't call. Anybody will want disgrace me, may go disgrace you here. This I said you. May I go bring my alligator paper. Bring my alligator pepper, come on. Madike. See that? Madike. That's not. Anything wanna lie, wanna they talk, they sound good. If they walk, Madike, you must be free. Not mad, my people. Now good morning. But I don't mad those some people where they say, "Wa Sophia, you be disgrace." Me, I not do anything bad. So this alligator pepper is very active. And Biafra console is going to kill Devil Mai. Now he hold our freedom. The rest people they pray for them, but this one now Devil Mai go kill. See, me I get my old boku here. I get bag of it. For Baba now not the finish. So my brothers and sisters, I cannot fight Fulani. I will only fight those people that sold our leader to Fulani. Fulani good. They cooperate. So, my brothers and sisters, what I'm going to fight is the leadership of IPOB by not taking care of our leader, by not taking care of my own leader, our Amadike. Even I dey use her, they get it good. And see, apart for now the Kanu, I know they follow anybody again. I dey on my own. I get reason why. No, I not be follow now. This one I'll follow now. I may support what you are doing. I know they with you 100%. Go and write it down. I know they follow anybody. Hey, my brothers and sisters, if you talk or you are supporting person, hey, how much they pay you? How much nanny pay you? How much this one pay you? How much? They don't need to pay me money before I'll know what you good. Now say our leader, I'll fight to now. Now take fight to now. I not join na fight. No, we be one family good. You people supposed to have protect the person that is leading us as a one family. How can you tell me, Robert? I don't me. If na my papa be thief, I know fight for him. I'll kill him. Now no understand. I'll kill him. I'll call the fat people will be criminals. All those big thief. Now say make me still come be come the fight for you. Will be my own way see thief. No, all of them are thief. Now me talking, I be nobody. Was of I follow you and not fit join IPOB, you have to go to hell. It good when more here, Maggie Gualo even we are here, more here go. And that boy will say, he want to be disgraced. You will see disgrace, you go enter your head. So therefore, my brothers and sisters, we want freedom, we must continue. Anything that will kill a man, if you start something, you not finish on, you will die put. Finish on. Revolution now. Revolution. My Igbo brothers. Mona open na hair. Mona open na here. Mona not they follow. These people, they don't like you. They are using you to make money. They are using you to make money. They catch our leader in the beginning. I was shouting, revolution, Mona come out. They can't oppress our people. They can't oppress them. They can't make their spirit die down. Nah. Devil Maya, I think he have employed military. Opus Odima, he have employed military. I don't want to fight. They say maybe they shoot innocent people. Shoot us. If the park come out that time, before the governor will go and recruit army, the youth have already taken over the governor. The leadership and the DOS say me I no fight una. Who? If una like, Mona sack me. I don't give a fuck who you are. The leadership of IPOB are the one killing our youth. Yes, they are the one. They have collected money. They don't want our youth to hurt. You are not the one to go there and fight for them. Let them do what they are doing. We are not jeopardizing any of your command and control. You people are there commanding the innocent youth. Now, the opposite man or devil mind, they employ military. Military come and say, shoot them. Even the innocent one, shoot them. The leadership is the one killing our people. Now me they talk now. Go and tell now the Kanu say, I said so. I have a reason why I said so. Now you kill our people moral. You kill their spirit. You ask them not to fight. At the right time, they want to rise up and fight. You kill their spirit because you take bribe. Oh, you will ask me to go and be fighting Nigerian government. Never. I will fight you instead. When you are killing no say so, I will fight you. It's not the Nigerian government. No. I'm going to fight you. Yes. You will be Sam. When they call up and down, you call the old live video that is fighting for freedom that Sophia is not good. Come and talk, Nana. Come out and make noise. Come out and make noise. Idiot set of people. Criminals everywhere. Criminals. I don't look now. I'm coming for you people. You are the one killing your people. Yes. Not be other people. You are the one. Because you have collected bribe, collected money. Killing the Biafra in the east. Killing them. Criminals. Coming on social media writing rubbish. Sophia will be disgraceful. Come. If I curse you, my mama, my papa, he go kill you overnight. You will die. You will be disgraced. You are a criminal. Kill our innocent brothers and sisters. Not letting them to rise up at the right time Control them. Sit at home. Get up. No get up. If Samuel Pase autopilot, you'll be fighting that one. Crazy people everywhere. No, go and fight Opus or Dima. Go and fight Devil Mai. You cannot. Because you have taken bribe. You are a criminal. You are a criminal. You are a thief. I say so. You are a thief. Anybody, Anybody, I don't want viewers. If you come out, if you write any rubbish on my platform, I go block your ass. I give a fuck. I know they feed on social media. No, I'm working. I know they feed on social media. Okay? I will block your ass. I don't give a fuck. When they arrested our leader new, I was telling our people to come out. Come out massively. Come out. Come out and fight. Come out and do right. Hey, no. Oh, Sophia, you sit down there. Where you for the give the command? Is it not Europe? Are you down there? Is it not Europe? Is it not on social media you give them your command and control? At the year na yes, some of na yesterday for Radio Biafra. Hey, you come and support the leadership of IPOB. Hey, don't be following. Johnny. Because we will not support you. Our leader, if we give them, if we tell them something, they use them. It might not be that time where you tell them, but he go hard and do something. If they use them, when I say our own no can't, our opinion no can't. They don't even know us. So you want us to come and join you at fight. It no work. My people, Mona go fight by ourselves. I felt all now. They'll kill everybody. They have already conquered us. They have already take our mandate. JDF, follow command and control. Call the right rubbish. What? See, if you get my, you know, sick makers. If you get them, life goes on. You not go kill me. I dey tell now. If you get my breast, put on there. I don't give a fuck. What I need now freedom. I don't want you. I don't know you for anywhere. I don't know you. If I dream see you, I take 21 of this thing, you will die. Not be say go come. Ask people wait me with that. That they dream see me. I Chris. I beg you. Come here, come they talk. Come and join the. No, I'll join the women. The women, if I tell them do one like this, that they do one. They are my mothers. They are my mommies. Look at what we give us Biafra very fast. Do it. They will do it. It's not you people staying on Europe. Gossiping all social media. Talking rubbish. Stay there. You don't. Come and join the leadership and fight. But when we give you something that will make the thing work, you will not do it. You will still come and tell us, hey, you are not joining the leadership. I am not the kind of put behind though. Hey, no, get Biafra. I'm not carry they go. After all, if I say I will not count. One more here, we don't want. We dey here, we dey look now. Hey, let me play Devil Mai. Devil Mai, let me play it. Nothing say we not get sense. And for all the Nigerians, all of una way. Una not take guesses. All the old Nigerians now call now. All of una, all the old Nigeria, West or South or anywhere Mona so na life.
You know what I go right? Okay. This is the life for UK. This is the life. Life is for the living. Let's forget our problems just for a while. You know. Let me enjoy with all you kids. You are the man, Johnny. Poverty is a bastard. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. I beg, call you, you will give me salad.
Oh, man. I like these people, I swear. I like these people. They love me like I like them. Poverty is a bastard. Call Ibo may give us salad. I like them. Nigerians. I like them. I too like them. He said poverty is a bastard. Not true. I like this video. Yeah. So when now? Wait. Oh, Nasia. No. No.
for a while, you know.
This song.
You are the man, Johnny. This one,
No. I don't see her where. He said.
okay. This is the life for UK. This is the life. Life is for the living. Let's forget our problems just for a while, you know. Let me enjoy with UK, man. You are the man, Johnny. This one, man, come and see the master.
God. Oh, God bless no way. Not true. Poverty na bastard. God bless no way. No way. Everybody na equal. In a way, everybody na equal. I'm believe no way. Europe, everybody na equal. If you get money for bank, government center, you use and pay tax. They know where. You know if they enjoy now, they lavish money where everybody supposed to take enjoy. Only you want y'all get time. Y'all the rest go for where for year. Collect time with taxi. That big boy now send the message.
Karmalami, Sand politician Igbos are stupid and unruly. They are the problem in this country. The Hausa recognizes their position as conquered slaves. They recognize the supremacy of the Fulani. The Hausas are happy being our slaves and we treat them well. The Hausa will not seek to sit on the same table with their masters. They will not demand to be in government. They know it is haram. The Kobo Igbos will not take their place as the conquered slaves they are. They refuse Fulani grazing on their land. Nigeria is our heritage. Our forefather Othman Dan Fodio secured this heritage for us. The Fulanis are the special breed ordained by Allah to be served. That is why Nnamdi Kanu must die. He challenged a power greater than his tribe. He challenged an authority established by Allah. We poisoned his parents to send a warning across to him, but he refused to listen. He has received his own dose. He will rot from inside and die very painfully. He cannot reason well again. The judge will keep adjourning his case for him to have a good taste of a painful death. This is a lesson to you Igbo people. Fulani owns this country. Mark my words. No infidel shall smell the seat of power in this country ever again. Nobody should utter such rubbish as three main tribes in Nigeria. There is only one tribe in Nigeria, the Fula. Henceforth we shall not tolerate any insubordination from infidel vassals. The Fulani herdsmen have the rights to kill, maim and rape any stubborn slave. Slaves are brought under submission. Only the Fulani lords have the right to carry arms. The herdsmen are entitled to any land they desire from the north to the south. Nigeria belongs to the Fulani. Establishment of the grazing route is a must. Britain have a morbid hatred for Igbos. They are in full support of the Fulani land acquisition agenda. It is a pact signed at the amalgamation. Britain knows that Fulani owns Nigeria. They have given the go-ahead to kill Nnamdi Kanu at once, but we want to enjoy his slow, painful death. The Igbos must surrender their lands or die to the last man. The Igbos are a pollution. They must disappear from this country either by death or exile. Killing the Igbos is simple. We control what they eat. Just watch Nnamdi Kanu degenerate and die. Then, know how potent a little bottle of poison would be on a trailer of tomatoes. Enough of this impudence from our infidel slaves. Enough.
Now true the talk. Not be only Igbo be slave, all of us na slave. Yoruba and Fulani, half of the Yoruba and Fulani, there be one. If una not get sense, there be one. Yoruba na the verse say we want una the Kanu can't destroy the Nigeria way that they enjoy. Now the poor one, the innocent one, we no know. Now then one, may we go, may we waka. So my south and southeast people, may I tell none of us na slave, eh? Not let anybody confuse you. They never conquer us. If una not fight now, revolution now, una go no here, una be slave. Shut up. Not they talk say una not be slave. Just take it now when you are standing. Not come after when the tea don't they are bringing me nitro. No, take it now. All of una na slave. British give Fulani upper hand. Now only them fit carry gun. Nothing they happen don't come. Outside they don't kill them finish. Una wey dey this side, wey dey call south east. All of una have slave o. Mona dey there make noise. Mona let the leader wey dey here or plus the one wey dey house dey carry una people. I tell una say now una wan fight. I know dey fit control una as my people your be now. Those people, all those ones. Now they know whether they'll rise up. Now they know whether they no rise up. I know say it's not easy. Sacrifice must be sacrifice. Sacrifice, me I not go cut my tongue. People must sacrifice. But we must be liberated. Yes, Mona not the see Nigerians. Mona just shut up. Una be slave. Take her like that. Una not see that Dylan Melaye, they go north, they go swear. That they run Dylan Melaye night, they run, they go, they London. If he can't, they'll kill him. Very simple. This IPOB leadership, una offend me badly. Most especially the one that they concern, where they escort me up and down. You don't go put different fake account. Now I say he must be disgraced. That boy, you must disgrace. And my papa and my mama must kill you. Except say, I not deal this strong with all my heart. Una not pay me. Una not they pay me now. I am not in the pay list. The pay list won't I get. I am not among. If my name is there, bring it out. I'm not among. When they arrest Una the Kanu, I come out full force. First time, 1 week, I'll be 2 weeks. The last time we talk, he say he must be there. May I leave her alone. May I not they disturb her again. May I go there. Say maybe na planner. When I call the year, say they sell on. Now I bust her. Say the people must rise up and fight. The leader, this boy, this son not be leadership. Me I not see life for others because I don't know them. This son where they IPOB so this son where they whether na Belgium Holland. He begin escort me up her time. He begin to follow me. Follow. Oh, yo dey died. Yo dey house. Yo dey shot. What you don't do for this IPOB? If not be only live video where they, I don't know where they for the talk. Whether not be the same live video when me they talk now there for the. If not be only live video. What have you done? What have you contributed on this channel? Not knowing say, our innocent IPOB we don't know what they go on underground. Not knowing say they want to use their head to take on they do quality catch up. Una cup don't fool. My people, as Samuel talk, autopilot. You be your leader of your own. Let us take these people on our way. Una say no. I talk with now only you want to be boss with broken English because you know say they say you be nobody. I talk we say only you want to fight on your own. They don't understand. Samuel come out talking with English autopilot. They go they fight that one. My brothers and sisters, I want to ask one question. Did you people join IPOB to restore Biafra or join it to fight for a man? I don't understand. Me, I joined IPOB to restore Biafra. To make Nigeria to be destroyed. No. Everybody go your separate way. Now I join Afro. I don't know the one who now join force because some people now make on the year they pay list. They must fight to finish. They even though now one man study now Fulani say they'll kill all of everybody. One man study they'll take the land. Listen, not be me talking. Fulani say shoot aside. Not be me talking.
That's how you now. Now that's how you be this.
Na Igbo that they kill Igbo. Okay. Okay. My Igbo brothers. Those of una where they fight me, you hear them? Anybody where you see killer. Because they don't take money for na head. The time you people have a voice, you people have a power. When the new Corona the Kanu, these people say no, Mona not do anything, Mona see that. Not be the one fight. You see these criminals, they are not the one to fight. They are not the one to fight. They are not on ground. Now they are on to command people, command that control. By the grace of God, Mona the Kanu command. I want to know whether na he join them put that command and control. We be say that they confuse our people. I want to know. I want to know. They are not the one to fight. Let our people rise up. By the time they get the power, by the time they have that strength to do something. No. If they rise up, they are going to kill Nnamdi Kanu. That one will not stop them not to kill. If they have the means to kill Nnamdi Kanu, that one will not stop them not to kill Nnamdi Kanu. Let the people fight for our leader. They say no. They kill their moral. They kill their spirit. Later now, they want come and calm me down. They say, let us wait till on the 26th. On the 26th, it's not going to cut. They now break the option of sit at home. Not sit at home. Get up. Sit down. Wrong. Not wrong. My people, when they use on our brain. When they use them. When the sit at home now don't work. They say make they still suspend her until the court day. See, my people, not they listen to anybody as I did so. See, if you talk to me, now small one I'll take. I'll use my brain go think about the other ones. Not they let people they carry on up at eh? Not they let me. I don't give a fuck. I they see and say some group they remove me, they block me. Me, if not 10 people. Now I get sense for this my video. I like her. I want to feed with this video. No. I want to feed. I feed there, not do that video. Nothing. You know feel all my life. If not 10 people, I like her. We get sense. You understand? They say make me go to fight Fulani. For what? Fulani wanna say una brother for. Me go to fight them. No, I'll fight una. Not the truth. Oh. After to now, I dey wait. I get what I dey wait for. May not be saying na me spoil am. Now make me pause since. You get one of my brother will call me this morning. He say, Mama, what did I say? My brother, I dey wait for something. I dey wait. Because these people, they are criminals. And I've told you, if Nnamdi Kanu come, you know Sakuna for the IPOB. He go lose followers. A lot of followers go run for him. For now, he not get hand. I don't do my check. Now make una sell and he not get hand. When they come and they shout, kaba. That one you come out, hey, I'm the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the mass movement. You know, say some people they pay themselves for inside the leader way they control. My brothers and sisters, when I talk, they'll say, oh, I don't come and spoil this thing. No, I volunteer myself for us to be free. Must I be paid? No. Are they allergic to that one? Even though you like, go eat yourself for work. Even though you like, go kill yourself. Are they allergic to that? Many of us, they get problem. Sometimes, not be all the time. You can come on social media, please, my people. So time I have problem. So time see what happen. If you can support me, that one different. Not be said that they pay you money, salary every month. It will not work. It is free though. Will spoil everywhere. I swear. When people they die? No, you know work.
Now that's how they be this.
I will not follow any IPOB conduct. No. Command. I don't follow your commands. If our leader come and tell and say me talking, I don't follow your command. Where are you when they arrest him or when they kidnap him? Is it not the same IPOB that set him up? Is it not? Please, if you don't want to just follow me, please sign up here. Sign up. I know what I'm talking about. Okay? No command here. Stop coming here. Because no command. Because before the command were there, the command supposed protect him. Okay? Go and do your own command. Me, I'm doing my own here. Don't control me. Leave here. Please. I'm begging you. I'm not following any command. Go and do your own. okay, how do they call them? Okay, lelueke. Do your own, I do my own. Everybody doing your own. Okay? Don't come and be commanding me here. Now, so you na command you, so that one, they go kill him. Go and command your own self. Look, you are commanding. They are killing your people. Don't tell me to follow command. No, I'm not following any command. If you not the canoe come, tell them, say, I say, I know they follow any command. See, here our people, Morian, coming here to come and tell me that to follow follow command of IPOB.
Anybody see kill? Anybody see kill? Anybody see kill? What happened?
You hear that? Go command them now. Go command the army. Anybody see kill? Una hear that? My brothers and sisters, autopilot. Mona go see. Una will they Biafra land. Mona see. Mona use una head though. Mona use una head. With the tell now. Not be everything will they tell now for this TV. Whether na TV or social media. Not be everything. We they see say some people now. Since last year that they confuse themselves now. They are running around. If you like, you have nothing to convince me with. Now the truth oh, may I wait. Not be next week, Thursday. May I look the day. Now next week now, Thursday. After Thursday, now year bomb. May I look the day. Today na 12. Now Thursday. Yes. Next week, Thursday, okay. Now one command. Another check una command oh. Una dey social media yesterday. Hey, come and support us. Come and follow the control. Come and follow what we are lay of grant. If we bring our opinion, if they say no can't. I know they follow now. Mona sack me. Me even want Mona sack me. I don't want. Because you people are the one making our brothers and sisters to be paying with their head. May they rise up. Hey, the other one son just come out. Hey, now the Igbo people that they keep, they don't keep those states. They don't rise up. South, they don't rise up. This one not rise up. Anything can start. Anywhere, anything can start. We want me everywhere spoil. Anywhere, anything can start. Any revolution can start in anywhere. When the ESA starts, it not take time before the East join. Not be when it start for Edo State, it start for Delta, Lagos take. Before the East follow. Not be so they start. You just say now one day, that opportunity just come. We be say another revolution will take start. Where everywhere will take bus. They come our people, hey, sit at home, get up, no stand up, go sleep. No, the another time they come. A dossier, he cancel run, suspended because a dossier go collect your money, oh, leave us alone. You cannot come and be controlling us up and down. Go. Okay? My brothers and sisters, they say, I'm with our mother, so. And all those ones, they all they control me. They all they control me. And they follow them because, why? They are doing the right thing. Yes. Not be everything I know. No, everything. No, they listen to all these people. As I'll talk now, if I don't mention some people names, say, they are doing weird, they wrong, go meet those ones, go, they confuse their head. They think, if you are doing a good thing, they know, they watch you. If they don't still cause you, they don't speak language, una, don't like this, so I see they know. So, go give a cry, not be baby. We were the fat or bar. Now, I can't they carry down our head, people. We are the one fighting the real fact. We are the one. We'll fight only on the 5th. Who say be Fulani? Now those people, they have a bone with Fulani. They are coming to conquer us. They are the leaders. We are the slave. They have said it, not be me talking. You did that all the way I play yours now. British, now give them that power. When the British, when the Queen Elizabeth come, they no invite now. Now they invite. Now they program Nigeria as it be so. So don't give a crap. People hold the land. Let them use their men to fight first. Don't control them. No, sit at home, get up, no, man. If one group they fight Nigeria government, they'll kill all of the finish. Not the truth. Let everybody fight once. We know we have order. We know we have control, commander control. But let the youth make them understand. Let them pack out and fight the government. Say, hey, who pose on him? It don't bring me neutral. May I play another one? Don't come here and write rubbish. Just go. I not call Nana. Just go. Who like me will stay. My people is here too. They are listening. Me like what they happen so. Because why? You know, see our side data. They use our get sense. Now the truth. They are using it to get sense. Well, those one rise up. I know say they go left for all what they happen to social media to fat. And I don't get sense. Come here, come they say follow the which command? Command where they take the play us. I beg you, where they take share money. Thank God say I not do. Now only that one that for take disgrace me, may not day. I not get share. And where they that devil my wait, may I find devil my command not there where they share money.
So it's time for us to rise up. We know these people.
Okay.
They're in houses. They're in the forest. Give us information. SNG and the security consultant, they have to provide a secure number where we advertise for people to give information. You can block your number and give information there. And every information we need to arrest of any killer, we have a reward, cash reward, and secret reward of not less than 2 million.
They clap. Ew!
Nobody's going to review your identity.
Man. When I talk, say when I say that useless only chillot. When I talk, say Fulani better pass Igbo people. It can't the publisher. The reason why I said it. Do you see that all those Igbo people, they don't like themselves? As Devil Mai talk and so, some idiots, some fools, the true stand up, they'll go they point their brothers and sisters, kill and give me 2 million, not mean anything. Just no worry, kill and throw away, kill and. You see, Mona, no worry. We dey learn. We are learning. We are going to continue and move forward. Yes. Exactly. We are learning. We dey learn. They go through go they point their brothers and sisters. Say, na here they. Say, na here. Now make you see that they kill all the boys don't finish. I pity for the women. Wait, they there. No woman, no man to marry a girl. Their brother, they don't kill, they finish. The one we don't run Ezra. No women. No women. No women. My brothers and sisters. No women. When I come, everybody in a leader. They say, hey, man, no talk. Somewhere come out again, talking, hey, autopilot. This time, autopilot. They'll kill everybody finish. Yes. If you are waiting for any command, they'll kill you. Nothing they happen. The army say, shoot anybody where you see. You want to go ask an government to. Nobody can fight government. Nobody. Now me and you be government. If we come together with many where the one we will put for all of them wrong. Don't cover. Now then go enter inside. They say no, not one like that. So not one. More we take command and control. A power to baba irema or to rame. Not one. Command and control. Let me tell you, my brothers and sisters. I am an IPOB. Let me tell you the secret. In that east, mo just say mo fair leave the South Biafra. That east, not be everybody be IPOB. Mo they tell ourselves the truth. Not be everybody. As you see that east, so Mosok is there. Mecca Siri is there. Asari Tokubo. The other one, IPOB. The other, there is 7 or 6 group. They will pass. Where they there? Come talk talk about small group where they inside, cultists, all those cultists, all of the day. That is why everybody be your leader of your own. Now, let us catch all this Fulani. Let us deal with them first before we come to talk. They say no, no. They'll kill our people finish. They'll kill them finish. I know what they talk about. They'll kill them finish. I said those state be now. Atalakpa day, Hariabaro day, Eye day, my fact. No. If we want to fight, we'll anything where you belong to is not our business. Any group where you dey, you not concern us. Now what you like, you join. Everybody will come together and fight for one thing where we dey look for. Very simple. You come together and fight for that thing where you dey look for, which is freedom of Biafra. First, before you come, they say, that is why we measure autopilot. Everybody is your own leader. No, some people say, yo, no, can't. No. Then they kill them now. They are killing them. Go and fight army. Now they kill na people. Now the truth too. All these people where they social media so. Now they make our people where they the east they die. Now the truth. You know why? Because of their selfish interest. They are killing our people. Now, let me tell you the truth. When no gunmen never show up, Devumai was laughing. You know, we are going to be doing 2023. Anambra election, we all, we know all. Let me show you where they are campaigning for Anambra election. He was laughing, smiling, different smiley. Now they smile. You understand? He was busy laughing and smiling. The election will be held. We are. Let me show you people where they are doing Anambra election. They are campaigning in Lagos. Ask me whether not Lagos has that one. Hey, let me find the tea. We may be fee. I don't know whether na Lagos shall be at the later. Na Lagos has one go vote for Anambra. I don't know. Wait. I want to show you what is going on in the state. He made the later. I be WhatsApp don't immediately later. They say they want change WhatsApp. I don't know whether not true. Wait to. Where did I say this? Will I say I got the later? Oh, Anambra State. Where are you? Oh, when I talk, stop making noise. Come follow the which command? When I say our leader, when I say now I follow. Anambra State now this thing therefore they do campaign now. Me I tell you, will I say I the later? Now this thing because my phone is too full. I have to delay something for me to get weed with some stuff, you know. Wait first. Now Anambra State now this thing. Now Lagos, Lagos. Now therefore they do the campaign. Let me go to Messenger. Maybe I put it on Messenger. I not see her more. I don't know where I put her. Wait, then I say I don't see her. No. I don't see her. Hey! My brother, thank you. I don't see her. My career go where I see her again. Oh, you see, when no government ever show up, these people, devil might call they laugh. Hey, don't worry, we are going to take care of it. Yes, our youth, they will go out to go and vote. Don't worry about that. I say, hey, may they go do election, huh? But they go tell them, my brother and sister, very simple logic. Our IPOB leadership, the people our leader think they are very, very correct and they are very right. They hijack the money. So if you want to support, put your money in Umweri account. Put it there. They will use it very right for us. Now the truth, if you just want us to do magic, put it there. Make the campaign now for Umweri account. Yes. Put it there. Put it because they say they campaign for Umweri account. They want fraud the nanny. Put time me show na the this thing. The team on a screenshot. They say son just dey here. I don't know why the thing not can show where we okay. When I put her for Umweri account, we agbeli ya agbon ole. Like give my show na the account. And I beg you, my brothers and sisters, now Biafra with the fair freedom. Not be to come and worship one man, one woman. Put time for this account, not show where this song is too much today. Me I can't go do my afternoon prayer before I go where I go. My brothers and sisters, the truth have to be said. Don't follow your head. Not they follow people. Think. Follow me, not be follow. And they follow anybody again. But I they use my brain by the grace of God. Our ancestors, where I'll give them this drink now. And this one. Only this one. These two things. This kai and this one. You see. They'll come tell me something. Say, see what is going on. That is not that they now information now I think they do so. No, for that one, I don't know anything. But our ancestors, they are very good. Give them this drink and this alligator pepper. Use alligator pepper, pray. Now very strong thing. If I tell them they use it now, they don't agree. But when Mazi does talk everywhere, social media, everywhere they fly. You know, good thing. But Mona put this one, join our kaka, go walk. Mona go find this kind bottle. Use and pray. It go walk. As for our leader, Fulani no fit kill am. Never. For Fulani to kill our leader, Nigeria turn upside down. Some Yoruba people will be say they want work with Fulani. Una go see magic. Not be next week. You people are going to be seeing some magic. On that court today, everybody did their spirit. Mona no carry and come with it. We did that court that day. We know they travel. We did here. Yes, we did here. I don't know anything. Yoruba people, Now all this Nigeria. More they tell ourselves the truth. We know they beat around the bush. Now Yoruba people, Nigeria, Those of you now where they compare Abazonia with Biafra, not be the same. May I explain? Not be the same. Abazonia na English and French. When Nigeria na Yoruba, which is Ogun Omila Day Center, Ugboni the Day Center. Fula Nigeria has four people of no, let me just say 4. Nigeria na 3 as they take create town before they come they cut and 3 group. Una not see people where Day Center. If those people will not break their wings, we go nowhere. Now Yoruba be our problem. Not be evil Fulani. May they tell now the truth. Not be all inside that Yoruba. Our people deal where they speak Yoruba. All those one are innocent. You know, so near Fife and all these people where surround us. Una not they compare Abazonia and Biafra. Not be the same. We they fight 3 battle. Now we they fight. People where Biafra they fight. We they fight Yoruba. We dey fight Fulani, we dey fight British. One Igbo boy will come out that day. Igbo, they no get history. Una get na Yoruba Shejan. We are na caro na face go, na no caro na come dey fight us. Eh? Even us now, we know they go school. Abuna no see one Yoruba woman where come they go come on for Abeokuta come they go Ekpoma. Una no see am. They kill Ali, mo will not go school. Ali want give us free education, they kill him. They say mo will not go. I beg go. Mo na take time. The problem, the people in the center is Yoruba. Mo na face, who na suppose face. Mo na leave us alone. We na one people. We not talk say we not be one. They divide us. If una say una we not still be one, it good. Eh? Abazonia not be the same with Biafra. I dey tell na it's not the same. For una no know, mo una know. Abazonia is only fighting the French people and the Paris. Okay? We get 3 group of people where we dey fight. Fulani, Yoruba, British. If una no know, mo una know. It not be the same. It not be the same. Now our fight next strong pass. Abazonia, they want go fight. They know say now the French part of Cameroon, that they go fight. Una get snake where they center. Where they center. Dele momo do na say so party, all of them that they do. Because they don't arrest our leader. We be stubbornly block. Unfortunately, people see the pattern. All you people that they against them, don't know why. Because of the ideology. Because people will see surround them, they don't see good, they be thief. You see, so my brothers and sisters, that make me say autopilot. Mona, let us do autopilot. Everybody take your faith. Abuna no see do Dele Momodu and this guy. Hey, if I want laugh, I'll play that. Wait, I'll play. I dey like to play. He said, hey, that very play. Oh.
You know what I'm right?
Okay.
This is the life for UK. This is the life. Life is for the living. Let's forget our problems just for a while. You know? Let me enjoy with UK, man. You are the man, Johnny.
Nigerians, no, I don't talk. Anybody, me, I dey all the social media. I get fake account. I can go and bring my phone. I go show now. Me, I still get fake account. If you want to curse me, write my name. Say Sophia. Me go use my own real name to answer you. And that guy where they follow me up and down, say you be disgraced. I dey everywhere. Okay? Good morning, my brother, Innocent. It will be us now fire. We want to fire now. Now next week Thursday. Yes, in Jesus' name. This one will take the full fire of my brother. We not be Jesus Christ. See, alligator pepper, and this one. I see show me another one. This one. Oh, that court day. When you are born now, see. We are there here to do our miracle. For that side, you go there walk. We are native daughter. Anything on a lemon, I got the talk. No, see. Or that cold day. We did ready on Thursday. On Wednesday night, we not sleep. Me, I'll take one day off. We are the bonner. That court day go catch fire. Make they don't leave van. I think they say they were killer. We dey here. We dey wash. We dey there with spirit. In the spirit. See? We're not a learner. No, say some people can't call me. Oh, my sister, give your life to Christ. Me tell you say I be devil before. I don't be devil. I be nah be let me be. I don't mean God myself. See? That now don't see. Or that court day, we dey here, we dey do our magic. See? Now this one will take deal with it. So Yoruba too na so na they see the afternoon, we they see the morning. We don't do our miracle, we don't do our Now Yoruba be dey the center. But now devil my own. If devil my, if una not kill her, now go nowhere. Now the truth. Devil my must. My brothers and sister, I don't talk. Now see on this one. On this one. Now we'll use on that court today. Our leader must be free. Although they say nowhere now. It's very easy. That's why our ancestors talk. But our ancestors say it must be fine. They say that not be life Fulani they talk. No way. No way. But it must be fine. In no way they don't do magic. But we must revive them. My brothers and sisters, autopilot. Everybody go and fight Nigeria. Go and fight autopilot. Mona go do what you're not supposed to. On that court day, we did here. We are in a spirit. We don't need to travel. Some people say, no, we don't need. We did here. We did here now. I won't be this. And now when they say, go give me a light to cross. I tell them, I say, I be devil before. I be human being. And I be God woman. You know that stands here. If you don't have this thing on your home now, go and buy it. Keep it at home. Plus, this one I believe. See, pray. If you want Biafra, pray. They born and they pray. All your whole even outside, pray. No, na see what it will happen. So we are fighting 3 battle. We are not the same with Abazonia. Abazonia only have 2 enemies. The French and the speaking French in part of Cameroon. We have more than 4 enemies. Yoruba, half of the Yoruba, they don't want me Nigeria break because they be Fulani. And our Igbo people, we decide us. We get many battles. And all these Obas, only where they put for everywhere. They be thief. We get many people where they fight us. So therefore our ancestors is stronger more than they. We they see them, we they discuss. Yes, we discuss with our ancestors. They have killed them many times. They came back. But this one, you go over the autopilot. All of us now, boss. Commander control, wait first. All of us now boss. If not, all this army, they'll kill and finish. We they tell now the truth. When I know say anything when I talk, it must come to pass. So therefore, do what I said. I not be leader. I don't want to be the leader because leader problem too much. The truth must be told. Autopilot. Share, my brother. God bless you. Share. Thank you. Autopilot. If not, that they bring more army. They'll tell you, say, shoot on, die. Not concerned.
Now that's how they be this.
Na Igbo. Now see, na Igbo that they kill. So therefore, our Igbo brother wake up. Don't let anybody use him. You hear that? Anybody you see key. At the beginning, suppose you now rise up. Therefore, no come. Una for block us the whole village. No motor they come. How many soldiers fiki? Now they don't confuse our people. Sit at home, no sit. Go here, go there, do this. No autopilot. The time where their blood they hot, where everybody they boy. They say no, make them not riot. If they like, the one was since 3 weeks now, be 5 weeks now. So key. They'll kill them, burn their ass, kill them. They don't conquer now. What do they wait again? They have been conquered. Chief of Staff, Sean, sir. You know, quick come. We have been conquered. Or everybody rise up. Forget about your group first. You know, concern us. Everybody. Now we get the land. If you want to receive your life, if not, very soon, Now, I know say they don't block you again. I block you. They don't block you for the other one. So, now you open this one. Now, they don't block you. I know say you there everywhere. God bless you, sir. My brothers and sisters, get up and fight. Revolution now. Autopilot. Don't let anybody carry you up or down. Because if not, they'll see kill you. I don't tell now. My own. Una know, me, if I open my live video, I don't know whether it be my papa, whether it be my mama. The truth, I must tell you. Not be me good pass. I not good though. 65%. No, let me say 45%. I know you're good. Pass mark, I good. But the truth, I have to be telling you guys. Not be only one person go fight this government. There be government too. If me and you rise up as a people, all of us, as we take one for instance, the government go wrong. All those army, how many they fit kill? How many? Now they'll go village and see two people. Shoot her, kill her, anybody when you see kill. Because you know what? Now IPOB people cause her. Now the truth, the leadership, not be the innocent people. Now the leadership cause her. Go up, come down, sit down here, go there, no come on, no, they still kill you. Now the truth. So go and do the right thing. Our people rise up and go and face these people. Remove the group where you fed there. The land of the people in the land as the land. You cannot come there one place, because they control them. Do it like this. No. Now our leader. Now if you do that one, when our leader talk, everywhere would shake. You understand? When our leader talk, because now our ancestors say now they side body. You see, and I made them not fit kill for Kenya. Now the truth. Now spirit you they see there. You like Nnamdi Kanu, you don't obey what he create or grant. Even when the thing is corrupt. So I will come and be obey you. You guess it? When the thing is corrupt, I will come still and be obeying it. You want kill me? You want save your life? You don't guess it? Take more than take time. If you want disgrace me, anything wanna know, wanna take disgrace. But so far, may our people free. You don't concern me. Yeah. It don't concern me. Our people must be free. Very simple. Not be say, oh, they carry their people do this, do that. No. It no work. Or this our generation, no work. Because you know what? My brothers and sisters, we they fight Oba. We they fight Oni. We they fight all the old useless criminals. We they everywhere. Our people still conquer. No. I know they fight Fulani. I go fight people with me with their day. We corrupt. Now me talking. They share money, oh. So I don't know say that they share money, because they share money from my head. Because they tell me say, how much Samuel pay you? How much Nenny pay you? Nenny don't need to pay me. They inside the struggle. I know what is going on. Forget who is paying who. If they pay on money, they no fit try. The money where they give una. If na me, I'll raise alarm. No. I'll collect and then I'll come tell them say, I pay money. I go collect una share. They share money for you. Una no know me. So very simple now. If then make them not just come where I take. They not come. They not say I'll raise alarm. I not do anything fraud. When they collect money, kill our brothers. I don't need them. Now make them not come here. They know who that they go meet. And they know that they call. Not be people like us. Me go collect her. Say I beg my people. When I go take una share. Una no. God will bless all of una. Una bye bye.